Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chantal Kitchen. Today I'll be preparing a seafood platter. My goodness, look at that, guys. It's so delicious. But guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Start with onions. I know, dust them into small cubes. And I like using red onions, but you can use the white onions if you fancy. I'll add scotch bonnet, because I love spicy, and then red pepper, to bring more flavor. You dice them into small cubes, and then I'll add some of the tomatoes, chopping them. You can use tin tomatoes or fresh, or whatever you want. So I decided to use the fresh one. And I'll blend them. It will be a puree. So I'll start boiling puree. Cook it for at least maybe 30 minutes to be well cooked. So it's a paste. So I'm supposed to be doing like a seafood paste. I'll add some Maggi cubes. Just keep checking the salt. I'll add Knorr, which is like chicken flavor. I'm supposed to be using seafood one, but I couldn't find it, so I'll add one. I'll add paprika. I'll add 1 spoon, and then we'll add mixed spices. I'll add 1 spoon, and then I'll use one of the Cajun seasoning, 1 spoon still. Don't put too much, guys, because of the salt. I'll add tropical, which is chicken one, a little bit of maybe a teaspoon. Then I'll mix raw or the spices. I'll let them boil together or cook together, whatever you want to say it anyway. So I will cover it for it to be cooked. Check the paste if it's ready. Look at it. I think it's ready. It's actually ready to serve. Look at it. It's so yummy. That's the one. It looks so nice, so delicious. That's my fish fillets. I use 1 or 2, 3, however you want. I'll start it marinating. I use paprika. Paprika goes with everything. I love it. I'll add a little bit of mixed herbs for more flavor. Chilies, if you love spicy. I love spicy, so I don't mind. I'll add a bit of vegetable oil, tiny bit. I don't put too much. A little bit of chicken seasoning. You can use fish, but at the moment I've already got chicken, so I'll use that one anyway. I'll mix it all together. I'll leave it to settle for at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes, however you want to marinate it. So mine, I like to leave it for at least 30 minutes. And see how it's looking. It's looking yummy already. Okay, that's my fish. I'll put it in the oven for at least 20 minutes. Let's start by marinating prawns as well. I'm using king prawns at this time. Start with the all-purpose of seasoning. 1 spoon. Chilies. 1 spoon. I love paprika, so I use 1 spoon as well. Use 2 spoons, however you want. I don't know how you like your paprika. I use sage. I use 1 spoon as well. 1 mixed herbs, 1 spoon. Basil, 1 spoon. Used white wine, tiny bit, a little bit for more flavor. If you like wine anyway. I use vegetable oil, mixed oil, mixed oil as well. So to make sure everything is all mixed all together. That's my king prawns. You can peel them or you don't peel them, however you want. Mixed all, try to marinate. Check them, guys. They look yummy already. Yummy, yummy. And leave them to settle for at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I've added more collagen, mixed again. Sorry, I had to miss that one, yeah, for more flavor. Mixed well, look at them as well. Leave them for that minute. Bring the pots or cooking pan. Put some vegetable oil there. And let it, heat a little bit. Add more. If it's not enough, to deep fry your. Keep deep frying them. Keep checking them, until they're well cooked. Because the last thing is not well cooked. I like mine well crunchy, to be honest. So keep checking them. See how they're looking so nice already. I would say deep fry them for at least 25 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know how crunchy do you like yours, but look at them, guys. They're ready. So tasty and really nice. Look at them, so nice. Okay, with the remaining one, I'll use I'll deep fry seafood steaks for at least 5 minutes. More than that, otherwise, guys, they'll start melting. Those are them. Look at them, how they are. After deep frying them, put them aside. Start rearranging them. In case you guys you have visitors, or you have your friends coming over for a Saturday night. Look at them, arranging them. Look at the mussels, the prawns. Everything is just so nice. I wish you guys could taste this. Look at them. Use a little bit of lime because there's too much fatness in the deep frying and all. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So enjoy my seafood platter, guys.